similarly as it did when propelled. The 2018 Tesla Model S seats 4 grown-ups easily, and 5 of every squeeze. We rate the Model S at 7 out of 10 focuses for comfort, including a point each for its agreeable front seats and its prevalent load limit. The front lodging in the Model S offer no genuine admonitions. There's no passage between the seats, however Tesla's exertion at giving a customary stockpiling console isn't up to whatever remains of the lodge. The back seats have not too bad space, yet it can require a touch of push to get to them. The back entryway openings are to some degree littler than the real entryways, requiring taller grown-ups to do some minor collapsing and dodging to get in. Indeed, even with the discretionary sunroof, headroom is satisfactory. However, raised situate riders will take note of the lodge limits beginning at bare tallness to cut cross-sectional region for decreased streamlined drag. Riders will likewise see the absence of regular footwells, since the battery pack sits under the level lodge floor. The subsequent legs out position varies from that of a general extravagance car, and the back seat back is leaned back at a greater amount of a point than regular to give headroom. However, once riders suit to the extents, they'll get themselves very agreeable. Therefore, we about deducted a point for the Model S raised seats. The Model S offers a couple of back confronting bounce situates that take up a large portion of the payload hold yet will hold 2 little youngsters too. We have genuine worries that the back confronting seats put kids excessively near the back glass and abandon them less all around secured than in other seating positions. While it peruses outwardly as a vehicle, the Model S is really a 5 entryway hatchback with 26.3 cubic feet of capacity behind the back seat. That is bigger than any car trunk you'll discover, also higher than the 24.5 cubic feet of the most recent Audi A7. With a 60/40 collapsing back seat down, payload limit ascends to 58.1 cubic feet, Audi hasn't issued the volume of the A7 with seats down. In addition to there's another 5.3 cubic feet in the little compartment in advance under the hood. The inside feeling is one zone where other extravagance makes. Mercedes specifically, have ventured up their amusements since 2012, and the Model S has lost some of its sudden stunning exhibition for a small piece of, is that all there is? Passengers will even now uncover in the auto's full web perusing through its implicit web association, however.